everyone, this is Sonia over at Realty Candy. For today's video, I just wanted to share with you a recent IDX Connect that we did on this Wix website. So just to clarify, this is an IDX Connect, which is a one-time payment of $79. And this is available for all platforms: Wix, WordPress, Showit, Squarespace, Weebly, Duda, Go High Level. We have done it on several platforms and they work on all platforms. So yeah, this is where you can go to order. I just wanted to share that with you. And I'll delete that. But yes, so this is for Adriana. Adriana is a realtor who works in Southwest Florida, but who we actually worked with or were in touch with for this project was her designer. So we're more than happy to work with your designers or your agent or agencies for realtors. This is the designer. She designed the colors and the menu, and she did all the website. Where we come in is the IDX part of it. So the IDX Connect includes this Omni search bar. This is our Omni search bar, Realty Candy. Here you can choose, for example, if you have like rent and buy, there are options for those buttons as well. But let's take a look. So let's do a random search. Just this one. I'm gonna click on search, and it'll take me to the results page. The results page is an IDX Broker page, but as you can see, it seems like we're still on her website. And if I click here, it'll take me to the home page. That is what we do on the IDX Connect. We match the header and the footer for all IDX Broker pages. This is an IDX Broker page, and she is using one of our templates, Realty Candy templates. This is called Austin templates, which is a really popular one. I really like it. It looks pretty neat. Let's click on one of them. It'll take us to the details page. This details page is also one of our templates. It's called houses. And it's, again, pretty popular as well because it looks pretty elegant and neat, simple. As you can see, we can see all the details for that specific property, the listing ID, pictures for that property, and all the details, right? Here, I wanted to show you one of our tools. So once you become our client, you have access to all of our tools. And that we added here in the details page is SEO Links app. This is our add-on, which you can get in the IDX add-ons dashboard. But as you can see, all of the words here in the details are actually clickable. So they're links, and let's try and click on one link. So say I'm a visitor and I'm looking for, I only want to see listings that have a first floor bedroom. That's pretty specific. So let's click on that, and it'll take me to a search in Sunset Properties that shows, see, 60 results returned, just properties that have a first floor bedroom, which is really helpful. We want to turn leads into buyers. That's why we have this website. So we want to help your visitors stay as long as possible on your site and hopefully find a property that they want to buy. The other thing I wanted to show you is that the IDX includes is the map search. So we give you the links, and you can put it in your website wherever you want. So in this case, this client chose to have this menu options, and here under search we can find the map search, the address search, and the advanced search. So let's go to the map search, which is a really helpful one because some people are very visual, so they want to see where exactly this property is located. So this is, again, one of our templates that we activated for her during the integration, and this is called a zoom. The other thing that we did in this IDX Connect, these pages, the search, the results, the details, and everything are by default hosted in IDX Broker. And when we do this, when we set up the CNAME, which is included in the IDX Connect, it helps with the SEO because Google will credit your website with these pages instead of IDX Broker. And It will also help so that visitors don't see that .idx broker appendage and it seems like they're staying on your site for the whole experience. Thing I wanted to mention is that in order to be able to get this IDX Connect on your website, be it WordPress or Wix or whatever, no matter what, you need an IDX Broker subscription. So we are not able to connect your IDX if you don't have an IDX account. Actually, if you sign up using us, if you go to any page on our site, just whatever page, and you go to the footer, right here where it says more, you will see a link that says sign up for IDX Broker, save $100. So if you click on that, it'll take you to an IDX Broker order form where you can select the account type that you want. For example, it's $55 a month for live, $90 for platinum. If you're unsure of what it includes, you can go to that comparison chart right here. If you click on that, it'll take you like to the specifics of the plan, what it includes, what it doesn't include. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. You can pop up in this chat right here on the bottom right. We're available 9 to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or you can shoot us an email over to support@realtycandy. Thank you very much.